Hi, today I'm show you one most popular new React video. Thank you, please see it.
Hey, what's up everyone, CT and Technology News here, and in this video I just wanted to show you an iPhone 7 concept that was recently designed by my good friend Messagey Designs. This concept is pretty interesting because it incorporates a number of the different rumors about Apple's upcoming phone, but also offers a very creative look at what the iPhone 7 could offer. So the first thing you're probably going to notice about this concept is that it shows the iPhone 7 with an edge-to-edge display that even wraps around the edges a little bit like the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. This would allow alerts to be shown on the side, and it definitely makes the design look pretty streamlined, almost a little bit like an iPod Nano, although I personally doubt that Apple's going to do this. I definitely do expect that the iPhone 7 will have an edge-to-edge display, but curved glass is still a little bit of an emerging technology, and I don't think Apple's going to put it in their iPhone 7 just yet. Now, even with the edge-to-edge display, I also do expect the iPhone 7 to be substantially thinner than the iPhone 6s, and that's going to be a pretty impressive feat considering how thin the iPhone 6s already is. Part of the reason Apple hasn't been able to make the iPhone any thinner just yet is due to the ports on the device, the headphone socket, and then also the lightning dock on the bottom. But the crazy thing is that Apple already has a patent for a cut-down headphone socket, which would definitely help Apple achieve a size reduction yet again. Now, another thing you'll notice on the concept is that on the bottom it actually shows the iPhone 7 with the dual speaker, and I think there's a chance that Apple will actually be doing this. A dual speaker allows the phone to have better stereo sound, and it just increases the overall quality of watching movies or listening to music or doing anything that involves audio on your phone. Now, before you say anything, this concept does show the iPhone 7 with a 30-pin dock connector, and that's obviously not going to be the case. The iPhone 7 will probably either have the Lightning connector, which Apple's used for the last few generations now, or they're going to switch to the USB Type-C charging standard, which is becoming common in Android phones and tablets. But with that said, I definitely think that this concept does represent a pretty cool vision for Apple's upcoming phone, and whether the iPhone 7 actually ends up looking like this or not, I do think that it's going to be a pretty big upgrade over the current iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s Plus. But give me your opinions on what you'd like to see in the iPhone 7 in the comments below. I know that this video is coming out pretty early since the iPhone 6s just launched, but since Apple has probably already started work on their next phone, this concept is basically just a vision for what Apple could be working on. But in the meantime, definitely be sure to check out Messagey Designs by clicking the link in the description below, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time.